Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video I'm going to take a look at the pound Aussie price and a potential long idea. So first of all, why are we looking at getting long pound Aussie? Well, the strength meter is one of the reasons why we're looking at this, because we've noticed that the pound is moving from the extreme lows and starting to gain a little bit of strength through here. The Australian dollar is moving from the extreme highs and starting to move lower. So if the pound is going to start to get stronger, I want to try and trade it against currencies that are getting weaker. And we've identified that Aussie is one of those currencies that could start getting weaker. In other sort of fundamentals as well, seasonally, the pound has one of its best performing months through the month of April. In the past sort of 46 years of data, the pound has risen through April. So looking for another opportunity to be on the long side of pounds. Other news as well, the RBA recently held interest rates at 0.1%. This could have been seen as a negative for the Aussie in the near term, especially because the RBA have been planning to hike rates for some time and they haven't followed through with it. So fundamentally, this market makes sense to look for a reversal. Strength meter as well makes sense to look for a reversal. So looking at the market, how do we potentially see that? Well, the weekly is showing us that it's broken through last week's low. We can see I've highlighted last week's low here on this yellow line through there. But price essentially in an oversold condition on the RSI. If it does pop back through there, and if price was to continue to push to the upside, we could see a significant reversal for pound Oz. You know, especially if we were to close back within last week's range. I think if we were to close back above this yellow line through here and trade potentially something like a head and shoulders pattern, then there could be some further upside to pound Aussie. In the near term, how can we potentially trade it? Well, the demand really came from down back at these lows through here. So I'm actually looking to see if price will form a higher low, because if the weekly is going to move to the upside, the 4 hours should create an upward trend, making higher highs and higher lows. We don't have that at the moment. Instead, we've had price consolidate, break down, retest the key support point, and move higher. So I want to see a higher low coming into play. That could come in back at this demand zone around about the 72.50s area. And if price can pull back into that point through there, form bullish price action, we could start to look for some long ideas around that point. So keep an eye on pound Aussie. We've looked at the reasons why you should be looking for long ideas on pound Aussie. Mainly seasonal patterns and strength meter idea, as well as the price action suggesting that the trend is about to reverse. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.